Welcome to our updated guide on how to delete a message on Snapchat. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, launch Snapchat on your Android device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Chat tab where all your conversations are stored. Next, open the specific chat where you sent the message you wish to delete. Locate the message within the chat and tap and hold on it until a menu appears. From the menu options, select Delete to indicate that you want to remove the message. Confirm your action by tapping OK when prompted. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage and delete messages on Snapchat, helping you maintain clear communication and privacy within your chats. Keep your conversations organized and clutter-free by utilizing this feature to remove messages that you no longer wish to keep. Enjoy a seamless messaging experience on Snapchat with these straightforward steps. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with deleting messages on Snapchat.